What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. This tutorial will guide you through the process of obtaining Flying Dutchman Boat Showcase and Halloween Fish Fried event and Roblox Fish game. This event features unique challenges and rewards, making it an exciting opportunity for players to enhance their gameplay experience. As you can see, the Flying Dutchman is not available for purchase. To get the Flying Dutchman, all you have to do is do the Witch quest to get the Flying Dutchman. To start the quest, you have to talk to Beatrix, the witch. Beatrix, the witch, will ask for 5 ingredients. Those 5 ingredients are candy corn, strange root, giant mushroom, dark art skull, and spider's eye. After you gather all 5 ingredients, return to Beatrix, the witch, and give all 5 ingredients to obtain the Flying Dutchman. In this guide, you'll learn how to access the Halloween Fish Fried event, complete challenges, collect event currency, and ultimately unlocking the Flying Dutchman Boat Showcase and Roblox Fish. Keep participating in seasonal activities or events to gain unique rewards and enhance your gameplay. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.